Hello viewers, today I am telling about Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Before the watching a video, please press the subscribe button and click the bell icon for latest update. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus was launched February 2019. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus was available, released from March 2019. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a different version into different regions, just like global version, USA version and Canada version. Also known as the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus Performance Edition 1TB and 12GB RAM model ME. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a dimension is a 157.6 by 74.1 by 7.8 mm. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a weight 175 gram. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a front glass Gorilla Glass 6, back glass Gorilla Glass 5 aluminum frame, front glass Gorilla Glass 6 ceramic body. SIM. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a single SIM, nano SIM and hybrid dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby display. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a Dynamic AMOLED capacitive touchscreen 16mm color. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a display size 6.4 inch. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a 1440 by 3040 pixel. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a protection Gorilla Glass 6 HDR10 Plus always on display. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a operating system and Android 9.0 by CPU. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a CPU chipset Exynos 9828. The CPU. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a chipset Exynos 9820 EMAE by L80AM Qualcomm SDM 855 Snapdragon 855. Memory card. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a internal memory 128GB and 8GB of RAM, 112GB and 8GB RAM, 1TB and 12GB RAM. Micro SD card. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a micro SD card up to 1TB. Uses shared a SIM slot, dual SIM model only. Camera. Main camera. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a main camera, triple camera, 12MP, 12MP and 16MP. The feature camera, LED flash, auto HDR panorama and also video. Selfie camera. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a dual selfie camera 10MP and 8MP. The feature of selfie camera, dual video call, auto HDR and auto and video. Sound. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus loudspeaker with stereo speaker and 3.5mm jack communication. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is available tools just like WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11, dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot, Bluetooth 5.0 A2DP LE-aptX, GPS with AGP, GLA and ASS, BDS, GALILEO, NFC radio, FM radio, USA and Canada only. USB 3.1 Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. Feature. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus sensor, fingerprint under display, ultrasonic accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass, barometer, heart rate, SpO2. Battery. The battery of Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is a non-removable Li-Lon 4100 mAh battery. Charging. Fast charging 15W USB power delivery 2.0. Color. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is available in different color. Thanks for watching our video. For any question, ask on comments or by email.